Hey, it's Hazal. Welcome back to the channel where you learn English through real-life conversations. Today, you're going to listen to simple, natural English used in everyday situations. You will learn how to speak with family, ask and answer questions, and understand real conversations easily. Just relax, listen carefully, and try to repeat. Let's begin.
Alex, wake up. It is morning.
Dad, I am tired. 5 more minutes.
No, it is 7 o'clock. Get up now.
Okay. I am awake.
Good. Go wash your face.
Dad, where is my towel?
It is on the chair. Look there.
Oh, I see it. Thank you.
Hurry up. Breakfast is ready.
What is for breakfast today?
Eggs and bread. Come quickly.
I love eggs. I am coming.
Did you brush your teeth?
Not yet. I will do it now.
Good. Always brush your teeth in the morning.
I know, Dad. You say that every day.
Because it is important.
Lily, sit down. Breakfast is ready.
Mom, what did you make today?
I made oatmeal and orange juice.
I like orange juice. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Eat while it is hot.
Mom, can I have some sugar?
A little sugar is okay.
This is very good, Mom.
I am glad you like it.
Alex, where's my pen? I left it here.
I do not know, Dad. I did not take it.
Did you move it?
No, I did not touch it.
Please do not lie to me.
I am not lying. I am telling the truth.
Okay. I am sorry.
I feel sad when you say that.
You are right. I am sorry.
It is okay. I forgive you.
Lily, do you want to help me cook?
Yes. I love cooking with you.
We are making vegetable soup.
What do we need?
Carrots, potatoes, and onions.
I will wash the carrots.
Good job. You are doing great.
Alex, how was school?
It was okay. A little hard.
What was hard?
Math. I do not understand division.
I will help you.
Thank you, Dad.
Lily, it is raining today.
I wanted to go outside.
Let's stay inside and bake cookies.
Yes. That sounds fun.
Alex, do you know the word curious?
No. What does it mean?
It means you want to learn.
Then I am curious.
Mom, I do not feel well.
The doctor will help you.
I am scared.
Do not worry. Doctors are kind.
Alex, let's go to the park.
Really? I love the park.
Lily, how's your friend?
She was sad today.
What happened?
Someone was mean to her.
That is not nice.
I helped her.
You are a good friend. Great job for listening until the end. Try to repeat one conversation from today and use it in your real life. Write in the comments, I am learning English every day. And don't forget to subscribe, because here, you don't just learn English, you live it. See you in the next lesson.